Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to another episode with the Canning Nana. So today is day 4 of the seed sprouting video, and I want to show you, this is before I have rinsed it. I've only rinsed it once today. This is before I've rinsed it the second time. I told you it'd be about halfway full. This is a 1.5 pint jar, and it's probably a little bit over that. So tomorrow is going to be the first day that we use these. I'll show you what they look like and what I do with them. They are so good. So I am going to be rinsing these right now, and we're going to do like we normally do. And the word of the day today is going to be living garden, because that's what this is. So these seeds not only grow really quickly, in 3 to 4 days they are available for you to eat. And they are so good. So I can eat these right now, but you see that there's a lot of the brown seeds still on there. A lot that hasn't sprouted yet. So I'll be taking some out of here tomorrow and then leaving the other ones in there to sprout for just one more day and see if they sprout. But one of the reasons that I love these is that this is a part of your food storage. So you can store canned food, home canned food, dehydrated food, freeze-dried food. I am a Thrive Life consultant. My link is in the description box below if you guys are interested. That's a great way to have variety in your food storage. And this is another way. So adding seeds that you can sprout gives you a fresh salad, or a type of salad, a fresh green when you don't have any available. So if you go boating or hiking, camping, if you're going to go camping for a week, these are perfect. Start them at home, and when you get camping, you're going to have fresh greens to put in your salad or to put in your sandwiches, to use on avocado toast like I will be showing you guys. They are delicious any way you use them. Like I said, I snack on them. So they're really good. So once you get to this point, and usually on day 2 or 3, I will start another jar of these, so that when I always have some fresh sprouts going, because I go through them pretty quickly and I don't want to run out. So whenever it's about day 2 or 3 is when I start a new jar. And I usually don't do a whole 1.5 pints. You can do these in 1/2 pint jars. I had a couple people ask me. You can do them in 1/2 pint, in pints, in quarts if you want. I prefer the 1.5 pints because it has a wide mouth and they're really, really easy to get out. But of course you can do them in regular mouth jars as well. They're just as good. They're just easier to get out if you use the wide mouth. And then if you get this screening, and I'll try to put a link for this, link to my Amazon for this screening, because this is what I like. I have the plastic screening as well, and I don't like that too much. I use it when I have to, but this stainless steel screening is much, much better. So I will put a link to that in the description box below for you guys, so that you have that and you can find it. But those only come in wide mouth. I haven't seen those yet in regular mouth. Okay, so let's rinse these and get them going, and then they're going to be ready in the morning, you guys. Okay, so it is all rinsed and drained, and it's on the counter, and we're going to see you guys in the morning. Don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see, and we're going to be giving away some of these seeds. The word of the day is living garden. Comment that in the comment box below. And make sure that you're subscribed to be eligible to win some seeds. And I will see you guys tomorrow.